Sarah, take a look.
Show my mom.
Hello, hello, Kuya Hani. If you're watching this video, this is not my fault. They tied me up. DJ, Jonah, even Sophia.
They tied you up, Tito?
Yeah. And they forced me to take this video.
Really?
See, Sarah is driving from our house up to SM, the famous mall in the Philippines.
Almost there.
Really?
Oh, that's SM already.
There? There?
Yeah.
Great.
Charge day.
Sa radyo ginamos eh.
Dyan?
Oo, sa radyo. Hindi, wala kasi usaksakan dito eh.
Ito mong gamitin yung patugtog mo dyan.
Wala nga, ayaw nga.
Ha? I-ano mo, lipat mo sa source. Yan.
Hindi naman ito no. Mga ano.
Yung mga ano mo dyan,
You
ringtone.
can open your music.
Yan o yung sa baba, yung lipatan, Jay. Pindutin mo yan. Hindi yan.
Oh.
Yan o. Yan na yung mga nasa pitch. Ano mo?
Hindi. Wala. Oh, yung bata yan ah.
Alam mo ba ito?
Ito yung ano, yung ano yun na sila nakalagay dito.
Lipat-lipat mo lang.
Wala. Iba na naman.
Sarah, say hi.
Hi! Hi, Tito. You want my mom to kill me? She gets scared when I drive.
Oh my God, Sarah, stop! Don't drive too much! Oh my God!